setting up a package format's shared bill of materials in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you the two layers, the shared BOM and per-SKU editions, and how changing the shared BOM once updates every SKU on that format. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Production, Package Format BOM from your dashboard. Package formats work in two layers, and I can show you both here. The first layer is the shared bill of materials, the packaging components every SKU in that format uses, like the can body, the end, the case tray, the shrink wrap. Click a format, like a 12-aughts can or a half BBL keg, to open it. Then add or edit the shared components and the quantity each one uses per unit packaged. You only set this up once per format. The second layer is per-SKU editions, the things specific to one product, like its label, its 6-pack carrier, or its compliance sticker. Scroll to the SKU list under this format and click a SKU to add its own additions on top of the shared BOM. Every SKU using this format inherits the shared components automatically, then adds its own labels and stickers on top. Update the shared BOM once, and every SKU on that format updates with it. You don't touch each product separately.